Alright, where are we going today?
Tuner, Irwindale Speedway. It's gonna be a long day. Prepare.
Damn, it's hot already. About to get some rollers, baby. Hey, you ready to order?
Yeah. What's up?
I'm too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for you.
You know what time it is, baby. Can't start the day without Starbucks.
Starbucks.
What did you get? You got this gay caramel drizzle?
No, I didn't get no caramel drizzle.
Oh, that's you.
Wow.
What you get? What you get?
Vanilla Snickers cold beer.
No thanks. I like
Get
sucking.
that first sip.
Oh, you want to see that? That's nice.
Nice. It tastes like a sunrise in the morning.
More like a sundown.
Mix the heavy
Yeah,
cream.
yeah.
That's the technique right there. You gotta cover these two
Yeah, you
holes
got the
with your
heavy
fingers. Yeah, I always do that.
Let's go, Carl!
Ready, baby?
The destination is on your right, Irwindale Speedway. Arrived.
Hello.
What do you got?
You got these two here.
VIP.
Hey. How was the drive?
There was a lot of road. There was an accident. Everyone was stopping. I don't know. The weather's a little concerning. I don't know if it's gonna get hotter.
I hope it rains. Dead ass, I hope it rains.
Really?
All right, Carl, back it up.
Yeah, where are we going?
What?
Where are we going?
We're already here.
Where are we parking?
Yeah.
Are we parking?
Yeah.
Bro, air out right here. You're
We're the
good.
shop truck, bro.
Oh,
wait,
wait, shots. Air out, air out, air out, air out. Turn off the air. Turn off the AC. Turn off
we
the
gotta
AC.
turn it off.
Turn off it. You're aired out, bro.
Yo, we out here, Irwindale, Elite Tuner. Stay cool out here. It's hot. It's like 100 degrees already, man. But you know, I got me and my
It's like
portable.
75.
It feels like 100 degrees out here. Don't listen to him.
75.
Yo,
What happened?
it's 100 degrees.
You have a fan.
Yeah. I'm a 75.
I thought I was your biggest fan.
It's just me against the world.
It's 3:46. We're still here. The show hasn't started. I paid for a quesadilla. It was $20. I was better off just eating the $20 bill. We've been here for hours now. We have an hour and a half to go.
Walk around?
I'm gonna walk around now. I just got here.
Are you gonna give me like your favorite car here?
No,
No?
nah, probably not. Because my favorite car is at the shop.
Is it a 7 Series?
Sure is.
Oh.
Missing the bumper.
Cut to the clip of the 7 Series
Just
right
destroyed.
now.
Just a moment of.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day...
Favorite car here?
Wanna go find it?
We can go find it.
Let's go find it. Like, that was what I was going for. That's why I was walking over here.
The what?
The all-road is my favorite car here. He doesn't have it now. Yeah, I said I would never bag the B9, but if it was the B9 all-road, I'd do this.
Yeah.
This is it. Yeah.
The fact that it's an all-road and not an Avant is even better. This changes everything.
That was like the most unsatisfying.
What's up, guys? You know, like every video series has like a blurred face guy. I wanted to be that guy.
Run it back! Champion!
Come on, guys, this is in no particular order. So if you're the 30th, that doesn't mean you're the worst car, okay? And if you're the first one, it's not. It doesn't mean that you're the best car. 10. I mean 10. What the fuck? I'm sorry. It's 2010 Audi R8 Cliff. Alright, I see somebody. Next one, Mr. Kormodiv for the 2014 Audi S4. Let's do it. That's what it says. Literally, it says.
I have like halfway in.
Are we gonna dance today? No, there's no music right now.
No.
Where's the music?
Yeah, what am I gonna